Maximize power and efficiency. If your 2013 Nissan Maxima won't start, this is a component you need to know about. We are pulling off the variable valve timing control cover on the VQ35 engine. This assembly is responsible for dynamically advancing or inside the cover. You'll find intricate oil channels and this circular, patterned ring, This ensures precise timing under different driving loads. But here is where it goes faulty. Over time, this friction ring gets heavily worn, glazed, or grooved, causing the computer to lose track of the camshaft's position. Additionally, if old, brittle gasket debris chunks off and blocks these narrow oil passages, the system loses critical oil pressure, locking up the timing and causing a complete no-start condition. To fix it, you need to thoroughly clean out all debris, inspect the friction face for heavy wear, and make sure that the sensor plug is dry. Clean it up, fix the timing loop, and get the engine running. Like and subscribe for more diagnostic tips. When the engine computer sends voltage through the blue connector plug, it magnetizes this surface to physically shift the camshaft's position. This variable valve timing, VVT, intake valve timing control, IVTC, cover assembly plays a critical role in how the engine breathes, builds power, and starts up. Here are the primary functions of this component and its integrated parts. 1. Camshaft advanced or retard timing control. The main job of this cover and its internal components is to dynamically change when the intake valves open and close relative to the pistons. It uses oil pressure routed through the cover to advance or retard the intake. Camshaft timing. By shifting the timing, it maximizes fuel efficiency at highway speeds, reduces emissions at idle, and provides high torque when you step on the gas. 2. Electromagnetic engagement, the segmented ring. The circular, patterned ring you pointed to in the video acts as an electromagnetic clutch face. When the engine computer, ECU, wants to adjust the timing, it sends an electrical current through the housing to magnetize this area. This magnetic force engages or retards the internal control vane mechanism on the front of the camshaft sprocket, physically forcing the camshaft to shift its position. 3. Electrical signal distribution, the blue connector. The blue plug on the outside serves as the communication bridge between the engine's computer and the internal timing controls. It delivers the precise voltage needed to activate the internal solenoids and magnets. It ensures that the computer can instantly adjust oil flow and magnetic drag based on real-time driving conditions. 4. Directing pressurized engine oil. The intricate channels and the grid-like patterns on the back of the housing act as a manifold for highly pressurized engine oil. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.